Hi everybody, welcome to Health Wanted, the place to be for healthy living. Today we are going to talk about 9 weight loss methods supported by science. Make sure to watch until the end because if you don't, you will miss out on important information, especially for individuals who are looking to lose weight. Subscribe to our channel so that we can provide you with essential information to help you maintain good health and well-being. Let's now go to the video. While there are numerous diets, pills, and meal replacement plans claiming to guarantee rapid weight loss, the majority of them lack scientific evidence. There are, however, some scientifically supported weight management measures. 1. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves frequent short-term fasting and eating meals for a shorter period of time during the day. Several studies have shown that short-term intermittent fasting, lasting up to 24 weeks, helps with weight loss in overweight people. The most common methods of intermittent fasting are alternative fasting days, fasting every other day and following a regular diet on non-fasting days. The modified version involves eating only 25 to 30% of the body's energy needs on fasting days. The 5:2 diet, fasting 2 days out of 7 days. On fasting days, eat between 500 and 600 calories. Method 16/8, fast for 16 hours and eat only in 8-hour intervals. For most people, the 8 o'clock window will be between noon and 8 p.m. One study on this approach found that time-restricted eating caused participants to consume fewer calories and lose weight. It is best to follow a healthy diet on non-fasting days and avoid overeating. 2. Track your diet and physical activity. If a person wants to lose weight, he must know what he eats and drinks daily. The most effective way to do this is to record these entries in a diary or online food tracker. As of today, there are approximately 350,000 healthy living apps, and 1 in 4 adults use one of these apps to share a health condition with their care provider. Research shows that tracking your eating, exercising, and weight loss on the go can be an effective way to manage weight. One study found that consistently tracking physical activity led to weight loss. Meanwhile, one review study found a positive correlation between weight loss and frequency of monitoring food intake and exercise. Even something as simple as a pedometer can be a useful tool for weight loss. 3. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating is a practice in which people pay attention to how and where they eat. This practice can help people enjoy the foods they eat and maintain a healthy weight. Since most people lead busy lives, they tend to eat fast while on the go, in the car, while working at their desk and watching TV. As a result, many people are barely aware of the food they eat. Mindful eating techniques include: sit preferably at a table, pay attention to the food and enjoy the experience. Avoid distractions while eating, do not turn on the TV, laptop or phone. Eat slowly, take the time to chew and enjoy the food. This technique helps with weight loss because it gives a person's brain enough time to recognize the signals that they are full, which can help prevent overeating. Make conscious food choices, choose foods that are packed with nutritious nutrients and foods that will keep you full for hours instead of minutes. 4. Eat protein for breakfast. Protein can regulate appetite hormones to help people feel full. This is mainly due to a decrease in ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and an increase in the satiety hormone, peptide YY, GLP-1, and cholecystokinin. Research in young adults also shows that the hormonal effects of a high-protein breakfast can last for several hours. Good choices for a high-protein breakfast include eggs, oats, nut and seed butters, quinoa porridge, sardines, and chia pudding. 5. Reduce sugar and refined carbohydrates. Western diets are increasingly high in added sugars, which are clearly linked to obesity, even when sugars are found in beverages rather than foods. Refined carbohydrates are highly processed foods that no longer contain fiber or other nutrients. These include white rice, bread, and pasta. These foods are easy to digest and quickly convert to glucose. Excess glucose enters the bloodstream and causes the hormone insulin, which promotes fat storage in adipose tissue. This contributes to weight gain. Whenever possible, people should swap processed and sugary foods for healthier options. Good food exchanges include whole grain rice, bread and pasta instead of the white version, fruits, nuts and seeds instead of high-sugar snacks, herbal tea and fruit juice instead of sugary soft drinks. For a healthier smoothie, try using water or milk instead of fruit juice. 6. Eat a lot of fiber. Fiber refers to plant-based carbohydrates that cannot be digested in the small intestine, unlike sugars and starches. Including more fiber in the diet can increase feelings of fullness, which can lead to weight loss. High-fiber foods include whole grain breakfast cereals, whole wheat pasta, whole wheat bread, oats, barley, and rye. Fruits and vegetables, peas, beans and legumes, nuts and seeds. 7. Balance intestinal bacteria. An emerging area of research focuses on the role of gut bacteria in weight management. The human gut is home to a large number and variety of microorganisms, including some 37 trillion bacteria. Each individual has different types and amounts of bacteria in their gut. Certain types can increase the amount of energy a person gets from food, leading to fat accumulation and weight gain. Certain foods can increase the number of good bacteria in the gut, including various crops. Increasing the amount of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in the diet will lead to increased fiber absorption and a more diverse set of gut bacteria. People should strive to ensure that vegetables and other plant-based foods make up 75% of their meals. Fermented foods, they enhance the function of good bacteria while inhibiting the growth of bad bacteria. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, tempeh, and miso all contain good amounts of probiotics, which help increase good bacteria. Researchers have studied kimchi extensively and research results show it has anti-obesity effects. Likewise, studies have shown that kefir can help promote weight loss in overweight women. Prebiotic foods, they stimulate the growth and activity of certain good bacteria that help with weight control. Prebiotic fiber is found in many fruits and vegetables, especially chicory roots, artichokes, onions, garlic, asparagus, leeks, bananas, and avocados. It is also present in grains, such as oats and barley. 8. Get a good night's sleep. Many studies have shown that sleeping less than 5 to 6 hours per night is associated with increased rates of obesity. There are several reasons behind this. Research shows that insufficient or poor quality sleep slows down the body's process of converting calories into energy, known as metabolism. When metabolism is less efficient, the body can store unused energy as fat. In addition, poor quality sleep can increase insulin and cortisol production, which also promotes fat storage. How long a person sleeps also affects the regulation of the appetite-controlling hormones leptin and ghrelin. Leptin sends satiety signals to the brain. 9. Manage your stress levels. Stress triggers the release of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which initially reduce cravings as part of the body's fight-or-flight response. However, when people are under constant stress, cortisol can stay in the blood for longer, which will increase cravings and potentially cause them to eat more. Cortisol signals the need to replenish the body's nutrient reserves from its preferred fuel source, carbohydrates. Then, insulin carries the carbohydrate sugar from the blood to the muscles and brain. If the individual does not use this sugar in combat or flight, the body will store it as fat. The researchers found that implementing an 8-week stress management intervention significantly reduced the body mass index of overweight or obese children and adolescents. Some methods of stress management include meditation, prayer, reading, breathing and relaxation techniques. Spend time outdoors, such as walking or gardening. It is very important to realize that there are no quick remedies for weight loss. Eating a nutritious, well-balanced diet is the most effective approach to lose weight. This should contain 10 servings of fruits and vegetables, as well as high-quality protein and complete carbohydrates. Exercise for at least 30 minutes per day is also useful. Now, check out this video to discover some helpful tips that will assist you in achieving a healthy lifestyle. Subscribe to the channel to receive regular health tips and advice. That's all for today, and always remember to stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.